So we're going to cut through this and let you see what you're going to see, the different colors combination. Ready for it? Look at that. You seeing that? So you have your layers of cake just bursting through. Look at that. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. Basically, what I'm going to do today I have some leftover from cakes. So I'm just going to show you some tips and tricks. When you have these, don't throw them away because you can get another dessert out of this. So this is chocolate cake and this is vanilla. So I'm going to show you what you can do. And I have some leftover cream here. So I'm going to show you what you can do with it. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. So basically what I'm going to do, I have here like a ring, a cutting ring, stainless steel. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut these like this. So if you notice here, I get 4 round circles which I cut out. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. So if I can get 5 out of it, it would be great also. So I get 5, wow. So I get 5 out of this one. Even with this, don't throw them away because you still can get a trifle, can get an easy trifle out of these. I'm just showing you how to utilize these. So with this, I'm just going to put them here. So I'm just going to get my cake rotator. And with this, I'm going to put down the same mold like this. So I'm going to put, you can start with where you want to put chocolate in this. So I'm using the same exact mold. What I'm going to do here, I have some icing here, which I'll use on the other cake. And then we're going to use this. We're going to put this straight in. So we're just going to push him down like this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to go around here. That very light. You don't want to go too heavy on it. And because this slant here, we're going to go for the higher side. And we're going to repeat the same process. So with the side that's slant, we're just going to go like this. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove this. So I'll just turn this upside down and I'm going to remove this. So with this, you can easily get some icing going on this. And then we're going to try smooth him out. So what I'm doing now here, just get the icing, just get that going. And we're just going to go right round with him like this. So what we're going to do, we're going to leave it a little bit rustic. And, these, we're just going to put these over it. And this is the bits that come off the cake. So we just let them stick on the side there. And then you have your lovely dessert. So therefore you don't waste anything at all. So here you have your perfect leftover cake. Well, I'm going to slice it and let you see what it looked like.